evaluate integral over c z square plus 5z plus 3 by z minus 2 whole square dz, where c is the circle mod z equal to 3. Evaluate this integral using Cauchy's integral formula. So, first we evaluate the singular points. Singular points. That is the denominator equating to 0. We get the singular points. The point in which the function does not exist. So, we equate the denominator to 0. That is, we get here z minus 2 into z minus 2 equal to 0. That is z equal to 2. Here we get z equal to 2. That is z equal to 2 comma 2. That is z equal to 2 is of order 2. Z equal to 2 is of order 1, 2, 2. Order 2. Then we check this point inside or outside. Here z equal to 2 is the point. Our circle is mod z equal to 3. What is mod z? Mod z equal to, put z equal to 2 in mod z. That is mod 2, which is equal to 2. 2 is less than 3. So, z equal to 2 is inside the circle. Inside the circle. That is z equal to 2 is of order 3 inside the circle. So, we apply the Cauchy's integral formula for higher derivatives. Higher derivatives. Here z equal to minus 2 is a point. Z equal to 2 is a point of order 2. Order is greater than 1. It's order 2. So we using this formula, Cauchy's integral formula for higher derivatives. That is integral over c f of z by z minus a whole raised to n plus 1 dz equal to 2 pi I by n factorial into f n of a. This is the formula for higher derivatives. Cauchy's integral formula for higher derivatives. Next, we apply this formula. We apply this formula. Integral over c z square plus 5z plus 3 by z minus 2 whole raised to 2 dz. Compare these two LHS. Here z minus a is inside point raised to n plus 1. Here 2 is inside point raised to 2. Means n plus 1 equal to 2. That is n equal to 1. So, which is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial, here 1 factorial into f1 of a. What is a? 2 pi I by what is 1 factorial? 1. F dash of a is inside point 2. F dash of 2. Then we find f dash of 2. What is f dash of z? What is f dash of z? F dash of z is the derivative of f of z. So, first we write f of z. Listen. F dash z is the derivative of f of z. So, we write f of z. What is f of z? LHS z minus a whole raised to n plus 1 and numerator is f of z. In the Cauchy's integral formula, the numerator is f of z. That is f of z equal to z square plus 5z plus 3. Then f dash is derivative of f of z. Derivative of this polynomial. What is derivative of z square? Is 2z plus 5 into derivative of z is 1. Then derivative of constant plus 0. That is 2z plus 5. This is f dash z. Here f dash 2. What is f dash 2? Put z equal to 2 in the RHS. That is 2 into 2 plus 5. That is 4 plus 5, which is 9. That is equal to 2 2 pi I into 9, which is equal to 18 pi I.